Hop into the 2020 Jeep Compass. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy the adventure with confidence in the Compass. It offers the perfect blend of SUV versatility and state-of-the-art safety technology. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, remote engine start, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, electronic stability control. Don't settle for average when you can have excellent. Drive the Compass.